At first glance, it can be easy for beginner plant parents to mix up a pothos and a heartleaf philodendron. After all, they both have heart-shaped foliage that is green and glossy. Both plants have a growth habit that is like a vine and look great both trailing and draping beautifully from a hearth or hanging pot or climbing a trellis. But they don't have quite the same care needs, though they are fairly similar, and it is nice to know what it is you are growing. So let's dig into how to tell the plants apart. And please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more. Leaves, shape, and texture. The leaves of both pothos and vining philodendron are relatively heart-shaped, but a philodendron leaf tends to be wider. Also, if you look at where the leaf connects to the stem or the petiole, a philodendron leaf will have a more dramatic curve like you'd see at the top of a heart. In general, pothos also have thicker, more waxy leaves than heartleaf philodendron. Petioles. The petioles are the sort of mini stems that connect the leaves to the main stem of the plant. A philodendron petiole is rounded, whereas a pothos petiole is indented and curved inwards, sort of like the shape of a celery stalk. Aerial roots. Both philodendron and pothos plants will grow aerial roots, which help them climb and vine. However, pothos aerial roots are thick, and there will only be one per node, which is where the leaf and petiole attaches to the stem. In contrast, heartleaf philodendron aerial roots are thinner, and you'll see two or more at each node. New growth. The final way we'll distinguish between pothos and heartleaf philodendron today are by how new leaves grow. A new pothos leaf is tightly curled and slowly unfurls over time, revealing a lighter version of a mature leaf that will darken over time. New philodendron leaves, on the other hand, will be encased in sheaths called cataphyls. Once the leaves have opened and matured, the cataphyls will dry up and fall off. A baby philodendron leaf tends to have a pinkish or yellowish tint to it, and it will turn more green as it matures.